Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today, we're talking about what all measures and precautions to be taken while you are taking a test drive of a new car and you're deciding to buy one car. Don't get passionate and love for the car what you decided to buy in your mind. Make sure you deal as a product. You're buying a car as a product. This car will be useful for my family and how best it suits my family. Look at that as a product. Don't get passionate and get love to that same car like a Honda City or a Varna. So when you're planning to buy, let's say, a sedan car, you should compare at least minimum of 3 or 4 cars like a Honda City, Varna, Slavia, Ciaz, etc. So when you compare, don't do the test drive of the car which you like. First do the test drive of all the other 3 or 4 cars which you have listed behind. Test all the cars. Then you'll understand what are the advantages and disadvantages of the car. And then test drive the car what you like, let's say Honda City. Then you will be able to decide which car suits you and your family. Second, make sure when you do a test drive of all the cars, involve your entire family to sit in the car, go along with you for a test drive. Make sure you do a test drive at least 10 to 50 kilometers drive. See that you check the suspension, the visibility of the front and as well as the back. Drive at least 50 meters reverse and see how is the visibility backside when you're driving reverse. And also see that there are no black spots. Make sure that people who are sitting inside are comfortable when they're sitting at the back or the rear side, the last row. All people are getting the AC. These are all the comparison you should do when you're buying a car. And to the salesman, make it very clear to him that he has to explain you the entire advantages of the car, technically and as well as what are the features available in the car. What are the features available in the top model, mid variant and the lower variant. Make sure he explains you and takes time in giving you a clear and a perfect demo of the car. Spend at least half an hour to 1 hour with each person at the demo. So this will make you clear that you are buying a right car for your family which car suits your family. And also make sure you drive the car and see each car that it is parked in your parking space. So which car suits comfortably, parked comfortably, decide that. Same way, make sure you compare the advantages and disadvantages of the car and decide which car suits you. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.